Welcome to our video on essential resources for drone training and certification. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced pilot, we've got you covered. First up, let's talk about some must-read books. The Drone Pilot's Guide to Real-World Flying by David J. Skies offers practical tips and advice for every drone pilot. For a comprehensive guide, check out Drone Pilot's Handbook by Kevin Morris. It covers regulations, safety, and flight techniques, making it perfect for all skill levels. Podcasts are another great resource. The Drone Coach podcast is hosted by a certified flight instructor and covers all aspects of drone flying, including regulations and safety. If you prefer visual learning, YouTube has excellent videos. Drone Flying 101 by DJI covers the basics, from takeoff to camera controls, ideal for beginners. For those interested in advanced maneuvers, Drone Flight Maneuvers by Drone Pilot Ground School is a must-watch. It covers techniques like orbiting and spiraling. AI tools can also enhance your drone flying experience. DJI's Fly app offers automated flight modes and obstacle avoidance, making your flights safer and more efficient. Finally, consider enrolling in courses like Drone Pilot Ground School or DJI's Drone Flight Training Program. These courses cover everything from regulations to advanced flight techniques. Happy flying!